Alright guys, we just found Roberta come out of the subway and now we're at Glasgow station waiting for a train back to Edinburgh. It will either be the 15:15 or the 15:45. Alright guys, it's time to head through the barriers. Let's find a good barrier to go through. Aha, this one. And it looks like our ScotRail Express train is already arriving. Working that it's not our ScotRail Express train. Or is it? It might depart from platform 4. That's our ScotRail Express train. That's the service from Alloa, terminating here. Works by 385034. Silly me. It's going to depart from platform 4. Departing out now is the 1507 ScotRail service to Inverness, starting here at Glasgow Queen Street, works by HST. At the front is 43142. At the rear is 43151. There goes that train. Its next stop will be Stirling.
The next train to depart from platform 6 will be the 1511 ScotRail service to Dundee.
Alright, departing out now is the 1511 ScotRail service starting here to Dundee, works by class 170. It's 170 434.
The next train to depart from platform 3 will be the 1518
And there it
ScotRail
goes.
service to Alloa.
Alright, arriving now is our delayed ScotRail Express service. We're going to be jumping on this train back to Haymarket.
Platform 5 will be the 1527 ScotRail service
Here it comes.
to Falkirk, Ayleston, Collier, Springburn, Royson, Steps,
385115 is at the front.
Galway, and Falkirk, Ayleston. This train is formed of 4 coaches.
We'll see you on board this packed train. 385124 is at the rear. Right, off goes 385034. We now got seats on our train. 385124, we're on board. 385034 departed first to Alloa. And then we're going to go after because we're running late and we're still boarding passengers.
This service will be calling at Croy, Falkirk High, Holmes, Linlithgow, Haymarket, and Edinburgh Waverley.
Alright, so we're now departing Glasgow Queen Street and heading over to our next stop, Croy. And I bet we're going to be trapped in a couple of red signals because of the Alloa train being in front of us. Alright, so my battery's running low, so I'll see you at Haymarket, guys.
It's